Playing with fashion is like being a sculptor. It's like taking fabric and the human form is what you're gonna mold that fabric to. So for the Make It With Wool competition, I made a coat dress, which is inspired by Balenciaga, who was a famous Spanish designer and couturier in Europe. The coat dress that I created is what's called a trapeze style. So it has no waist and it's just kind of like a bell shape. And it comes straight from the body and goes out. And he was kind of one of the pioneers of that silhouette. So I kind of combined with my styling with his kind of design aesthetic and merged them into one final design. For the Make It With Wool competition, I won the National Fashion Ambassador. I'm the first winner from Michigan. I'm also the first winner from Central. So this coat dress has done a little bit of traveling. It went to not only the Make It With Wool competition, but it also went to the National Sewing Expo in Seattle, Washington, and it was featured in Make It With Wool's kind of runway show that they do there, and it was part of like a Decades of Style. So they did a runway show, so it went from San Antonio, Texas, where the conference was, and then it left immediately from there to go to Seattle, and then it's back in Michigan, and then this coming Saturday it's going to be in Threads as part of a collection I did.